Hello, this is Mr. Lowerline with your weekly update for Language Arts 7 from October 26th until October 30th. So we'll watch a short trailer of the movie Coco because this week we're going to be focusing on a short writing with Day of the Dead and Halloween. Now on Monday, students will be choosing an article from Newsela that focuses in on Day of the Dead. And then they'll create a Google Doc and then have a little writing answering the question, what are the cultural aspects of Day of the Dead? Then on Tuesday, we're going to switch from Day of the Dead to Halloween. We'll watch 2 short videos on the holiday Halloween. Then students will go back to their Google article and write a paragraph about what are the cultural aspects of Halloween. And then on Wednesday, we will bring that all together and compare and contrast the 2 holidays. On Thursday, we have a fun little monster project where students will draw a monster on their Google Chromebook. Then they will write a paragraph of what that monster looks like, and then they will share their writing with another student on Friday, and that student from the writing will try to draw the same picture that the other student described. So that is your weekly update for Language Arts